it's Kelly, and I have a product haul to share. These products come from a company called BB Crafts. They are a craft company, online craft company that sells like mainly, I think their major market is jewelry making supplies, but they also have lots of different craft supplies on their website. So they reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to try some of their products out, and uh, I said absolutely, because they do have lots of dyes, and lately I've been really crazy about making my own embellishments, so it's so much fun. So I'm just going to show you some of the products that they sent me, and in the here in the very near future, I will have a couple of projects using these die sets. So without further ado, let me show you what I've got. So this is the first die set that I want to share with you, and it has these two little girls. This is one of their marketing pictures, and I've already, as you can see, made one, and I've made more than one, and I will have one coming up on a project very soon. So isn't that adorable though? Stinking adorable. And so I've only made this one so far. This die set is what you see here, and it's just adorable. I love the embossing details. It gives the die cut or the embellishment that you're creating lots of texture and interest. So, which, you know, I'm all about that. So that's the first one, and so fun. This is another one that I immediately out of the box started playing with, and I created a couple of little samples here. And I later went back and printed the pictures because I was kind of like, why is there a paw print? Why is there a heart and a star? I mean, I thought maybe they're just trying to add more to it, but actually there is a reason for those. And they go in the center of the clock, the time, the clock, they go in the center, and you put your little hands, minute and hour hands on top of that. So that's cute. I loved it. So I will be playing with this some more. This was just real quick. I was using my scraps and just threw this together real quick, but I'm going to take my time and make a few of these to use as embellishments very soon. So love it. And an easy, fun embellishment. Here is another one, and here's the marketing picture, and it's just kind of some netting and then kind of a wonky grid, I guess you would say, and just a fun background element for, like, here they have some tropical flowers like hibiscus, and then here they have like a little scene, an ocean themed scene. Say that 3 times fast. And here is like the netting die. So I'm looking forward to using that. And I have some ocean themed dies that I want to use. So I thought this would be fun to create with. So that is the third die set that I received. And I got this one. And it is like a little bird house with the birds and some grass and greenery. And here is their marketing photo. I can't wait to play with this one either. And thank goodness it's summer. Like yesterday was my last day at work, and so I'm gonna have some time to actually spend playing and creating. I'm so excited. So this is that, and I can't wait to play with it. And then last but not least is a camera die set, and let me show you the marketing photo that goes along with it. And it comes with like a film strip, a little tiny like Polaroid, and a little tiny film strip. Just so cute. I can't wait to play with this one either. And with vacations and retreats and summer coming up, I'm gonna find lots of uses for this embellishment and can't wait to play with it. So that is everything that was sent to me. And like I said, I will have a video coming up in the next couple of days featuring using this die set as an embellishment on a layout. So yeah, so go check out BB Crafts. They have lots of stuff. If you're a jewelry maker as well, you will love it. They have tons of beads and jewelry making supplies, and someday when I have more time I would love to learn how to become a jewelry maker. So if that is you, you will love that website. So go check it out. And there is a discount code in the description box below and links to all of these gorgeous die sets. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I will see you soon with a video. Bye.